Okay, the video is of the new Rotec continuous mix plant. We function tested the plant for the computer and the switchgear and conveyors, so we're going to take you outside and show you that in a few minutes, but I'm going to talk you through it. Here's the Rotec plant. You have a reclaim tunnel and a conveyor draws material from each stockpile. Not on this job, but the next one. We will have a enclosed insulated building. So we pump cold air in here, we retrieve it here, and there will be 50,000 cubic meters of ready to use aggregate. Okay, the mixing plant, these stockpiles are here. On this job we've got 5 aggregates. Each conveyor draws from its own stockpile. And then there's a variable speed drive here, and a conveyor scale here, and a funnel, and a mixer, and then it's gone. Up here, you see the conveyor line coming down to the mixer. We got cement, fly ash, storage. The control house that you'll see in a minute is right here. We're going to make an experiment with the belts. So here we go for the test. Okay, now this one. So now we're inside the reclaim tunnel, and there are the 5 belts that handle the 5 aggregates. We're calling this the stack belt. Here are the Ramsey weigh scales, conveyor weigh scales, that we've just tested this one. It has an accuracy of 1.5%, which we think is great. There's our drum mixer. These are the mag conveyors, the transfer, and the stack belt. In our mixing plant, in the conveyor system, and now we're a little... There's Walter Baldessar. All right. There's our lounge, monitoring TV, flashing... Next, William. Stack belt. So when you're sitting at the conference room table having lunch, you can watch the whole show, supposedly. Okay? So the operator sitting here has a visual observation of just literally everything.
Weather station to know the condition about wind, wind direction.
Yeah.
here we have a wind speed,
Yep.
total rain monthly,
Yeah.
here,
Okay.
the quantity, barometer chart, pressure, and the current rain, day,
Okay,
storm, rain,
great.
and here we have a temperature out, in, heat, chilly, and dew point.
Okay. And what's this
And
one up?
then you have
Oh, yeah. Huh.
about the chart.
Got it. Okay, I'm not interested in that anymore.
Okay, this is
And this is your.
this is the same. This is the weather station.
Okay.
The software really. We needed this because also for crane, for tower crane, when we are in aeration,
Right.
how much speed the wind,
Yep.
and for safety, because the
Okay.
each tower crane maximum wind speed is 72 kilometers
Yep.
hour.
Okay, got it.
Which
Okay,
is-
let's go pour some concrete.
Okay.
Running?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the amazing room. Now, we've got the starter for the big drum mixer. And then in here, we have, Walter, 10
frequency drive.
10 variable speed, computer controlled frequency drive with switchgear and magnetic starter. Now these gauges here, if you press one button, it'll tell frequency or amperage or voltage, and as you can see, each one is for its own motor.
Then we have a Joseph from here to make a maintenance.
So if you want, you can jog the conveyor just to see that it's running. Okay, now.
This is variable frequency drive. Now it's ready to start because I have two light on.
Okay,
The-
right.
When receive a command from a computer
Yes.
room, receive a signal and this starts.
And then,
We have a
yes.
protection for a frequency drive,
Okay,
protection for vibrator and for fan. We have a protection also for a cooling fan for the motor.
yes,
If something happens with the cooling
Yeah.
fan, automatic stop frequency drive.
Okay.
Because we don't want to cook in electric motor.
Right.
And the all block same, are same. eh?
so this block feeds down to these plugs,
Yeah.
and these plugs are plug into the conveyor.
Yes.
Now, Bruce, come over here.
This frequency drive is the same of the big one. It is for 5 horsepower and we use it for liquid additive. It's a PLC with all program of the missing plan.